Alright, today is April 2nd, 2026. Now, I didn't get into trade yesterday. Looks like the market yesterday went up a little higher. And then this morning looks like it's falling. Alright, so weekly wise, we're inside last week's candle. 4 hour, don't really have much. So, looked like yesterday was a very strong move up. Let's see when that started. Especially in the morning, and then price is now cascading off a little bit. Nice double bounce. 1 hour. This is on Monday. It's at a new level. All right. So I don't know how I feel about it, because let's see. Look at price. You can see that price came back down. Right, strong buy on Tuesday. Came back down. And then moved up, and I've seen this before, right? I think I saw this on, this is what I saw on Tuesday. This is Wednesday. All right, this is what I saw on Tuesday. So it's a new level. Price went up. All right, and then this is Wednesday. Price didn't really do much. Now it's falling off. Let's go to 30-minute. Let's get a closer look. All right, so we came up to this older level here and bouncing off of it, all right? Came to this level. This is kind of new. Small little bounce down. Alright. And then now I don't really too much like it. Okay. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. All this is gone. We do have a new level up here. So this would have piqued my interest. You can see that we sold off nicely. We broke above. And then we struggled, and eventually price sold off. Alright, so this here, strong buy, sell, then eventually price sold off. Let's go to the 50. Sell, sell, slowly sold off. Go to the 25. Go back to that 50. Go back to 75 first. Yeah, strong volume, strong volume. 50. Strong volume here. Absorb there, sell, sold off. Alright, let's go to the 25. Alright, this is the first strong volume of the day. Nope, second one. Buy here. Alright, so now we're looking for either or. Right? 25. I'll go to the 50. I can mark it. 25. Okay. There you go. Alright, so we got buy cleared. Sell, sell, sell. Buy. Sell. Yeah, could have definitely entered on this one here. And nice little run. Nice run. Probably would have aimed for that, but that's still good. Alright. Now to go to the 20. Bam, 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 bam. Sell off. Alright. Buy, fail. Alright, so really have to like pay my due diligence, especially looking at those higher time frames. Alright, market opens up soon, in about 15 minutes. I gotta clear up the charts. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame and just clear everything up. All of this is just gonna, I'm just gonna delete everything. It's just too many things here. I already feel overwhelmed. I don't care what it is, as long as it's not a weekly level, it got to go. Alright, it's looking better. Anything up here, gotta go. What was that? Yeah, it can go. Alright, go. Okay. Whew, alright, that looks better. Okay. So what are we dealing with? All right, go back again. 20, 20. Weekly. All right. Daily. Buy. All right. This is a strong buy that failed. 4 hour. This is probably gonna go. That one can go. Oh, isn't this a new level up here? It is, and we're back to it. All right, so let's look at that level. Let's go to that level there. Got to get rid of one of these. Just get rid of that. Four-hour level. Let's make this prominent so we can see it. Bet. Alright, 1 hour. Zoom out. Alright, so this is a new level. We might bounce off of this and move higher. I am gonna mark this. I just gotta figure out how to mark it. So first, from here to here, draw it out, and then we're gonna look for anything that sticks out. Alright, so we got this 75 tick chart. Alright, so with a 75 tick chart, let's see. Aggressive buying. Okay, we're gonna mark it. Try to remove the oval. Alright, so we got that. Okay, let's go to the 50. Zoom out. Nothing sticks out. 25. Nothing sticks out. 20. Let's mark this. Back to 25. Okay. Alright, so we got that. We're gonna mark this as 1 hour and 75 level. Okay, alright, 30 time frame. This level, so much going on, not interested. Out of 15, I am interested in. It's new, it's fresh. We're gonna mark it from here to here. Alright, so price, I haven't really moved out of it yet. So another retest might be a good one. Let's go to 75. Alright. So I like this one. Oh, it's just 5 tick, 15-minute time frame. Sit out on the right. To the 50. I like this. Alright, a lot going on here. Let's go to the 25. right here. And let's go to the 20. No. Alright, so that really got a lot going on. Oh. Yeah, okay, now we're there. Okay. That really has a lot going on. Okay. Let's go to the 5 tick chart. Go to 15-minute ticks precedent, 4 hours above. There's a lot going on there. Alright, I don't like this confusion. I'm not gonna kill myself with it. And then the 1 minute, anything fresh on the 1 minute? This one right here. So you can see how price reacts. This one price hasn't moved yet. This one right here. Just marking it. Nothing significant. Just mark it to see how price reacts to it. Alright, let's go to let's stay on ES. Let's add settlement price. Alright. Thank you. I also gotta add the high and the low of year to date. For AS. Two, three, 378, 2, 3, 376. Alright. And then what do we got? Like this. Alright. Add settlement price. And then we're gonna move on to NQ. NQ to VIX. 30. Look at that. Bow. At your disposal. Bow. Like, oh, what is that? All right, and no one knows what you're lifting. Secret. Yeah, I bet you want to know. I don't either. Let me look at them. Let me see. What the heck am I lifting? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Right there. Right. It's weird. Alright. Let's see. Alright, market open soon. I'm done. Let me add that 8:30 news that came out. Alright, and then that's it. 8:30 news. Sure, when I had to take that. 4:02. Apply. Bow. Alright, now price ain't do nothing. Alright, so that's it. Catch you on the flip side. Adios.